Let's talk about the Android SDK starter package. It's basically just the core tools and nothing else for Android. It doesn't contain any of the platforms or components that you'll need in order to actually target an Android installation. It does have a Windows installer version, which makes things a lot easier because we could just execute that and then it'll automatically install to our program files or a destination that we choose. And actually, I would recommend that we choose a different destination than program files because there is another tool that comes with Android called ProGuard, which is basically a code obfuscation tool that can help make your Android application more secure, and it doesn't seem to like spaces at this time. Also make a note of where you install the Android SDK starter package. In a later step, we'll need to tell Eclipse where this installation is so that it can use it when it's configuring the ADT. Next, we're going to get the Android SDK starter package. We can get that by going to developer.android.com/SDK. And then we're going to go ahead and select the Windows installer here and download that. We're going to go ahead and run this. And then remember how I had said that we were going to want to change the default installation directory. Here I'm going to change this to be, instead of program files, we're just going to go C/Android SDK Windows. And then we can select the defaults here, and it will install fairly quickly. Now we're not going to start the SDK manager to download the components and other tools because we're going to do that in a later step. Next we're going to get the ADT installed.